how to replace a garbage disposal. You're gonna need a screwdriver with a 5/16 hexagonal end and a 3/8 hexagonal end. A new garbage disposal and plumber's putty and a Phillips head screwdriver bit. And some kind of flathead, like a flathead screwdriver would be fine. I'm just using the flathead that comes with my multi-tool. And wire cutters and a knife and 3 wire nuts. This garbage disposal is jammed, and also it was kind of loose when it connected to the trap. So we are going to replace it. Like whenever we turned it on, like it just makes this jam sound. So you can hear that. Normally, like, yeah, see, it just, the jam switch just went off. And it does that just to prevent from overheating when it jams. And so usually when that happens, you can just press this button. Like, I'm not gonna do it while the switch is on, but just press this button and it will unjam. That's one type of garbage disposal. Others will have like a thing here to put an Allen head in, like a screw here that turns the whole garbage disposal, and you just put the Allen wrench in that and you spin it till it unjams. But this is not that kind of garbage disposal. It's the one with the switch. So if I press the button, it's still gonna do that sound. Yeah, see. It doesn't even look that bad in here, honestly. Like, I've seen worse. There's like some stuff down in there, but it's not, it's not bad. And we even tried unjamming it with this unjammer tool. I don't know the technical name for this, but yeah, we tried unjamming it with that, and it still is not working, so we're just gonna replace it. First, unplug the garbage disposal from the outlet at the back. This is the back piece of the garbage disposal, and normally this is held in by a piece in the back. I'll take it off and show it. This is like normally what holds in the back of the garbage disposal. Just like 2 screws go through this and into the garbage disposal. I don't know why this wasn't on, but anyway, it wasn't on, and so we're gonna replace it. Also, something to note, there's always water in the trap. That's what stops the smell from the sewer coming up into your apartment or house or whatever. So just be ready for a little bit of water to come out from the trap. This is the trap. We're gonna unscrew this cap that's on the trap. Now we're gonna take the hose clamp off that holds the hose on the garbage disposal for the dishwasher. Also, probably good to have gloves, so it gets a little dirty. Now with the garbage disposal completely disconnected from everything, we're just gonna spin it off. So this top cap spins off counterclockwise.
You can use your wrench when it's in.
Now we take this top piece out. It just spins off. Sometimes these are kind of tight and you need a wrench to take it off, but thankfully this one is pretty loose. So this has to come off before you can take this piece off. This comes up from the top. This is the new cap. We gotta take these screws out first to put the top into the sink.
I got it.
You got it?
I think I do.
Yeah, so that's gotta come off, because otherwise this won't come up, right?
Yeah. So this is
put plumber's putty around the edge of this so there are no leaks when water's running through the sink.
Okay. Please.
Yeah.
Push it.
Yes.
Put some weight.
Put weight on
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the tricky part.
it. Yeah. Now we got our garbage disposal. Probably, yeah, you can kind of see in there, like, this is the hole where the dishwasher ejects water into, and these come like plugged. There's a little plastic plug in there that you have to knock out. So just like take a screwdriver, I'm gonna use the Phillips head screwdriver in this case and knock it out. So this did not come with a plug-in cord. So in this case, we're gonna have to take the old one off and put it on the new one. Phillips head, take this screw out. Got the new plug-in wire here. We're gonna separate these with a knife. Now we got our wire cutters and we're gonna strip the wires. Green is always ground. I don't know, maybe I shouldn't say always. Green is usually ground. So we got our three segments here. Ground is the green. Just from looking inside the old garbage disposal, I realized this. This like smooth side here, it might be hard to tell with the camera, but this smooth side here is hot, and this side with the grooves is the common. So we're gonna plug it in that way, like white, green, and black. So we got garbage disposal here. So we fed you have to feed the black hose through this hole in the new garbage disposal, so that then it's in this square portion, and it's gonna connect. So the common is gonna connect to the white wire. This is the garbage disposal wire, and the hot is gonna connect to the black garbage disposal wire, and then the green ground wire is gonna connect to the ground screw here. So we're gonna push all the wires into this compartment of the garbage disposal, cover them up to prevent water from getting on them, and then now we're gonna put the square plate back on. Now we're gonna put our trap pieces for the garbage disposal on. So this rubber O-ring goes first, and then this metal piece fits around the trap piece. It goes like so, and then we're gonna screw them in. Now we're gonna attach the garbage disposal to this metal frame piece. It has like three little metal rings here. I'm talking about the ones on the inside of this piece. These spin around this metal frame piece here. So just as you're spinning it on, be mindful of the piece that connects to the trap. I forgot, this cap piece needs to go on the black piece on the garbage disposal first. Something else to note, like in the plumbing underneath the sink, like for your trap, this piece, there needs to be one of these plastic O-ring pieces in the trap, like right here, because that will stop any leaks. If you don't have that, then your trap will leak water as water runs through it. So just make sure that's in there before you connect everything. And now we're gonna put the cap on this black piece first. And then spin it over to the trap that it connects, and then bring the cap down and screw it on. Now we're going to reconnect the garbage disposal hose. Plug the garbage disposal in. Take a knife and remove all the excess pipe dope. And save it for later. Now we're going to test it. Make sure there are no leaks. All good. Like and subscribe.